Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Atlanta, where the local time is 11:10. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and luggage stowed until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. After the seatbelt sign has been turned off, be careful when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from items that may have shifted. You may now use your cellular telephones and other handheld electronic devices. We ask that you do not use personal computers. We'd also like to invite you to visit Delta.com for all your travel needs. At Delta.com, you can plan a trip, check in for your flight, and manage your SkyMiles account. While you're there, you can also provide us with feedback about our service and suggest ways to improve your Delta experience. On behalf of Delta and our Sky team and code share partners, thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you on board this morning, bring you to Atlanta, and look forward to serving you again soon. Once again, everyone, please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until we have reached the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. If you are continuing on Flight 1690 to Hartford, that flight departs at 12:11. If you'd like to deplane, please place your again, if you'd like to deplane, please place your